In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Snapchat app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to the App Store. Then tap right here to go to Search, and then tap at the search box here at the top and start entering Snapchat. So that's how we can easily find it. Now we need to tap at Snapchat right over here, and that's where we can easily find update button. In order to start installing the latest Snapchat app version, we just need to tap right here and then just wait until it is done. If right here at this place it displays you the open button, it means that you have already got the latest Snapchat app version and you don't need to update it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.